Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 27th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, high of 78, low of 71, cloudy with a 70% chance of rain. Today, for lunch, will be breaded beef patty, tots, peas and carrots, milk, and juice. Birthdays. On March 25th, Jasper Beard had a birthday. On March 26th, Chloe Davidson celebrated her birthday yesterday. And today we have no birthdays. Today's announcements. ACAP summative testing continues today. We know that our 4th and 5th grade scholars have set some awesome goals for their ACAP scores, and we are cheering them on to do their very best. Today is 4th and 5th grade's first day of testing, and we are ready for them to knock it out. Late duty today is Miss Milam, tomorrow Miss Zimlick, then Miss Shaver, Weaver, and Tarver. Congratulations to our Already Stars of the Week for last week. Top K1 class is Miss Shaver. Top 2-3 class is Miss Blankenship. Top 4-5 class is Miss Moore. Top student in KN1 is Keelan Doolittle with 14 lessons passed. Way to go, Keelan. In 2nd and 3rd grades, it'd be Kirby Creer with 10 lessons passed. And in 4th and 5th grades, it'd be DeMarcus Parker with 9 lessons passed. Way to go! Congratulations to Naomi Howell. Naomi is Kate Shepherd's 2022-23 Learning Leading Award winner. Naomi is a 5th grade student at Kate Shepherd Elementary. Naomi has been a member of the archery program for 2 years. She is a broadcasting team member where her responsibilities include preparing newscast slides, being a newscaster, and producing in the morning announcements. Naomi is in our gifted program and excels in her work. She is an A honor roll student. She is a kind friend and is always eager to help classmates and teachers in any way. We are so proud of you, Naomi. Congratulations on being Kate Shepherd's 2023 Learning Leading Award winner. Important dates. March 27th, report cards go home. March 30th, 1st grade field trip. April 7th, 3rd quarter honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice and spring picnic. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.